Biodegradable scrubber for dishes, hand-knitted from 100% hemp, offering an eco-friendly alternative to plastic sponges. Say goodbye to plastic and embrace sustainability with this set of 3 natural hemp sponges. Remember to scan the QR code or hit the link to get yours before they are sold out. Enjoy durability and practicality with these reusable hemp scrubbers that dry well and remain odor-free. Clean your dishes without scratches using the hemp unsponge, perfect for sinks, pots, pans and plates. The non-stick coating remains intact, and the unsponge features a convenient loop for drying. Receive your hemp scrapers in eco-friendly packaging made of recycled paper. Reuse the packaging and contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. Make a practical and thoughtful gift by offering these hemp scrapers to those embracing the zero-waste lifestyle. Whether they are beginners or experts, these organic, hand-knitted hemp sponges will be a perfect addition to their kitchen.